Welcome back to the channel, y'all. We haven't been doing much lately, so I figured I'd try to get y'all a video out. Today's just going to be a cooking video. We are Crazy Hillbilly Cooking and Adventures. But today we're going to try to make a pizza in the waffle maker. First thing we got to do is we got to make our crust, or pizza dough. We're going to go in with 1 cup of flour. Got 1 package of pizza crust yeast. About 1½ teaspoons of sugar. And 3/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to combine all of our dry ingredients. Then we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Now we got that all nice and mixed together. We're going to add more flour slowly until we get a nice soft dough, slightly sticky. We forgot to add oil, so we'll do that now. Calls for 3 tablespoons of oil. We're using a extra virgin olive, and I'm just going to eyeball 3 tablespoons. 1, 2. That should be good. The other spoon bent, so it has switched to a sturdier spoon. More flour. There we go. All right. On a flat surface, we're going to use a silicone mat here. We're going to flour it. We're going to go ahead and turn on our waffle maker, let it be heating up. Now we're going to knead it for about 4 minutes, or until it's kind of no longer sticky and elastic. All right, now that we got it nice and elastic ball, we're going to go ahead and divide this into 2, because we're going to make a top and a bottom. We're going to put it back in the bowl. Going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil to keep the outside from drying out while we let it sit, while we get the rest of our sauce and our other ingredients ready. Diced tomatoes. Got some garlic. About that much. We're also going to add some garlic powder. I got some oregano, parsley, and this is dried ramp flakes, which is a wild onion. Just dehydrated the leaves and ground them up. Gives you a good earthy, natural garlic flavor. A bit of olive oil. Then we'll blend that up, and we'll give it a taste. Oh, we need some salt and pepper. All right, so let's give it a taste. Pretty good. Our mushrooms here. We got some peppers here. Bell pepper and onion. I don't have a meat today because this was just a last minute decision to do. So you can add pepperoni or sausage or hamburger, or you can make any type of pizza if this works. We need more. Should be good for one. We get our mat back out and we get our pizza dough. This may make more than two. Yeah, let's divide these again. Lightly flour. And I'm just gonna mash these out by hand. I don't know where my rolling pin is right now. So when you can't find your rolling pin, just get you anything that's round and smooth and roll it out. All right, we're gonna put some olive oil in this measuring cup here. Then we're going to use our barbecue brush because I can't find anything else. Then we're going to oil up the waffle maker, both sides. All right. We're going to take our crust, put it right on there, put some sauce. Use that same brush there, spread that around. I'll put some cheese. We got canned mushrooms. Peppers and onions. We're going to go a little more cheese. And this might make a mess. Then we'll take our other crust. Go right on the top. Close this down. We'll flip it over. And let's see what it does in 2.5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and trim the edges. She's leaking! She's leaking! Crisis averted. All right, that was what it takes for a waffle. Let's check it and see what it looks like. I think we'll give it a few more seconds here. All right, y'all, we gave it about 20 more seconds. And I think we're done. You got a little hotter on the bottom, or maybe I need to be a little quicker about putting it together. But that's it. What y'all say we cut it up and see what it looks like? There it is, y'all. all cut up. All right, y'all. So we got the pizza waffle done. I'm gonna give it a try. That's so good. Next time we'll add some seasoning to the crust, but make a garlic crust pizza. That's good, y'all. Yep. You can make pizza in a waffle iron. No big mess either. Well, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all like and subscribe and comment and do all those fun things. And join us on our next adventure. We do got some squirrel hunting, some deer hunting, and some lot more fishing, and a whole lot more cooking coming your way. See y'all next time.